Now I'm going to go over some of the features that you can use with the Google Meet, with the breakout rooms, polls, and Q&A. Once you logged in using your DOE schools.nyc.gov email. So on the left side of the screen is the teacher view or the host view, and on the right side it will be the view that your students will be seeing, or other visitors that who joined your Google Meet will see. So the first thing that I'm gonna go over is the breakout rooms. So if I click that, I should be able to set up how I'm going to set up the breakout rooms here. So if I click that image with the pencil, so you should be able to set the number of the rules based on how many you need, how many you want. And let's say I wanted 4 groups here, and there's 2 people, and I can drag their names from each room so that you can assign however you want. There's a shuffle feature that you can also use to randomly assign students to go to each room. If you do that, it will sort of automatically generate that portion as well. So as a main host, you can choose to remain in the main call, or you can be part of the join group. It really doesn't matter, but for now I'll make the host remain in the main call. And there's a timer feature that you can use as well. So if let's say you want some sort of activity to be done in 10 minutes, you could say click the checkbox and put 10 minutes for that. So after 10 minutes, students are forced to come back to the main call. So if I click OK, and you can click the open rooms to send students to breakout rooms. Just make sure you make an announcement that they need to press the join button in order for them to actually go to the breakout rooms. And once I click it, you should be able to see what I mean by that. So once I click open rooms, the message from student view says to join a breakout room. You've been invited to the join breakout room number 1. So make sure you ask them to click join for that. And doing so, it makes students to sort of go out of the main call and join the breakout rooms. It might seem like they are leaving the Google Meet, but it is actually not. If you see on the top, you could students can have an option to ask for help. Click that button, and if you click it, so the teacher, the one who was in the main call, should be able to see ask for help feature. So the teacher can allow them to click this to join to help the group out. And while you're moving in and out, it takes some time for you to join the group, so that's one thing. And now the teacher joined the breakout room. You can talk about whatever the questions, concerns, and always you can come back by pressing leave button on the side right over here to go to the main chat. So, and then there's another one says return to main call. So if you want to leave earlier than the timer set, you should be able to click that to go back to the main chat, and it also tells you the amount of time that is left for the breakout room, so which is a good feature for you to for students to track their time. And so as for the teachers, you can go to like separate Google breakout rooms by pressing join button for that breakout room, and you can even go between the breakout rooms as well. So from here, now I'm in the breakout room number 2. I can go to breakout room number 3 by just pressing the join button right there. So now I'm in breakout room number 3, and you should be able to see that right over here. So that's how the basic breakout room sort of works. And let me just go back to the main room by pressing the button. Lastly, you can close the breakout rooms anytime by clicking close rooms.